you can see, Mike's battery's just a little bit on the dirty side. I've sprayed a little degreaser here, and I've put a little bit of baking soda here, and gonna get a little brush and a little water to neutralize some of the alkaline here. I've disconnected the terminals, and I disconnected the terminals here on the battery because rather than disconnect the terminal at the engine, it also has a negative terminal here, and maybe just have multiple negative areas that it could be connected at. So rather than taking any chances, I'm going to disconnect it right at the battery terminal itself. And I'm going to clean these up and try and neutralize the acidity on these terminals right here. Now, I've also looked, it looks like we have plenty of clearance in the back and plenty of clearance in the fan shroud area in case we tip the engine back when we pull the cross member out. So we should be in good shape.
What's in the bucket there?
This is just water in the bucket, and the combination of little baking soda and water neutralizes the acid on the battery terminals.